These tiny animal videos are going insanely viral right now. And the best part? You can create them in minutes using AI. I'll show you exactly how to make these step by step. First, I created a master prompt for you. You'll find the link in the description. Copy the full prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Once you run it, you'll get 10 viral video ideas instantly. Pick any idea you like. I'll choose eighth one. Now ChatGPT will generate an image prompt and a video prompt for that idea. Copy the image prompt. Open Flow AI and click on Create Image. Choose your aspect ratio and number of outputs. Paste the prompt and hit Generate. And within seconds, your image is ready. Now let's turn it into a video. Go to Create Video in Flow AI and select Frame to Video. Upload the generated image as frame 1. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy the video prompt, paste it here, and generate. And just like that, your video is ready. Take a look. These videos look realistic, satisfying, and highly engaging. Exactly the kind of content that goes viral. Here's another one I created using the same method. Save this method. You'll definitely need it. And if you want more AI tutorials like this, subscribe to Revron.